So why Bosch? Everyone knows that we don't have the largest portfolio of 18 and 12 volt tools, but what we do have is innovation and safety. Even with mainstream products, we do cover the tool bag of an electrician, from drill drivers, wrenches, concrete nailers, through to angle grinders. What I want to point out today is some of our innovations that set us apart from the rest. So, the Bosch GDX 2-in-1 drill driver wrench takes a 1/4 inch hex bit and a 1/2 inch drive. Nice and ergonomic, lightweight, with speed settings. Now, this is 2 tools in one. So instead of carrying around a drill driver and wrench, you've got one tool. If you think about your kits out there that you get, you usually have to buy a drill driver and a wrench, and you get a grinder thrown in. So 3-piece kit. Our 2-piece kits are really 3-piece kits, because that's a 2-in-1. So you get better value for money. Next invention, our GSB driver. So this guy here, all metal, 3-jaw chuck, 2 speed settings, that's the usual. But what we have now is some technological advances. So on here, if you need to drill into a specific angle, we have angle detection, 45 and 60 degrees. So on here, you can cycle through, level it up until the top here hits green. That means it's calibrated to what it thinks 0 is. Lean forward, yellow means you're nearly there, green means you're there, and drill. That's 45 degrees. When you've done that, you can go to 60 degrees if needed, wait for it to stop flashing, go green, lean forward, yellow's nearly there, green's there, there's your 60. So you've got some precise drilling without having to work it out. Next one, which I'm proud to show, Bosch X-Lock. So standard grinders, you have a backing nut, locking flange, and a pin spanner. 3 accessories everyone loses at least once during their lifetime of owning a grinder. Well, no more for that. We have a patented system where it's a depressed pin, and all you are doing is clicking in. There. No spare parts to lose, no downtime in swapping out grinders, and very safe. So traditionally, tradies want to stop grinders quickly, they drive them into the desk. Not safe. This thing here will stop within a couple of seconds. Also, when changing discs, a lot of people hand tighten, which is not safe also. This one here, once you hear the click, that's safe and ready to go. Also, when you're finished with the disc, instead of touching a hot disc, you can just clip off into the bin like that. So also, a safer option. And you're not wasting time going to procurement saying, hey, I need a pin spanner, I need a locking nut. It's all just click on and click off. Another cool thing about most of our grinders is the proper anti-vibration handle. This red bit here, remember, anything red on Bosch does something. That's a decoupled handle, so you actually get proper flex. It's not for show, it's not a straight metal bar that goes through, it's actually a ball inside. So when you are grinding on tough applications, you get proper anti-vibration. So less RSI on your wrist, elbow and shoulder. Now, to complement this great tool, as per the Euro norm, we all come with cutting guards now. So if you're on a site that requires extra safety, we now have extra safety with the guard. So you can pivot around, and that also gives you an added layer of protection if a disc shatters. Now, one more thing that will complement grinding. We now have a metal carbide wheel for cutting. Now this will replace all of your bonded abrasives, so your 1.2mm cutting discs. Issues with them, they're made out of grit and glue. Over time and during weather conditions, that glue dries out and it makes the disc very brittle. Also, they have expiry dates. So if you go buy a heap of these during a procurement run, forget about them, go to use them without checking them, high chance they can shatter. Also, very dangerous and more downtime. These here are an all metal blade, ingrained with carbide grit. It's all metal, so it doesn't reduce in size, doesn't shatter, doesn't expire. Also, can recycle it because it's metal. So if you have a sustainability target, it also works with that. And all it does is clip on. So you get 1,000 times lifetime out of this one disc. Think of 1,000 of your cut-off wheels, one of these. So also reduces downtime with swapping out discs. So if you think of, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to find your locking nut, pin, spanner, swap the disc out, times that by 1,000, times that over 48 weeks in a year, including holidays, you're gonna save a lot of time and money. Also, good thing with X-Lock is you cannot put our discs on back to front, especially with the cutting wheels. It just does not allow you. It's one way and that's it. Nice and safe, nice and quick. That's X-Lock. So there are 3 key innovations from Bosch that set us apart from the rest of the competitors. They're innovative and they reduce downtime and are a lot more safer.